Wales's hills and valleys look like a haven for wildlife, but 1 in 6 species is threatened with extinction. Our air, soils and water, essential to food production, are being damaged by unsustainable farming. But it's not the farmer's fault. Current farming policies are designed to drive production, often to the detriment of nature. Times are tough. Farmers may have to use even more intensive methods to make a living. The rules that protect our wildlife, air, soil and water could be at risk after Brexit, especially if trade deals are based on lower standards. And there's no certainty about a future rural budget for Wales. The time is now to demand action for Welsh wildlife. As we leave the EU and recover from COVID-19, Welsh Government have the opportunity to develop new policies. Policies which no longer use public money to pay farmers just for having land. Policies that will drive sustainable food production, rewarding farmers for tackling climate change and restoring nature.